I'm going to show you how to use PayPal without a linked bank account, so let's start. First of all, you can request and receive money from others. One of the easiest and only ways to get balance accumulating is by requesting and receiving money from other PayPal users. You can send money to others. Similarly, you can send any amount not exceeding your PayPal balance to others as well. Click the send button to send money using a PayPal balance. Now to create an invoice, you simply fill in the information and then PayPal will generate the invoice and email it directly. This is one service PayPal can take care of you regardless of whether or not you have given them your card information. Create a money pool for organizing quick and easy fundraising. Money pool is a highly useful tool you can access without a card on file. You only need a PayPal personal account to partake in the money pool feature. You can even transfer the money you receive to yourself personally with a check. More on that later. The final step before transferring a PayPal balance to charity without a card or file, you're limited to donating an amount that won't exceed your balance, but perhaps you wanted to use the money pool feature to raise funds for your favorite charity. You won't need a card on file to transfer that balance to the PayPal giving fund. PayPal will then deliver 100% of your donation to a charity of your choice, although the platform notes in rare cases the donation will go to a similar charity instead. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.